In a moment of acceptance of love, I can accomplish what a year of judgment and effort cannot. I can impregnate a moment with life. I can expand it dimensionally to achieve things no amount of length, width, or height could ever do. And when we say we're running out of time, what we really mean is that we're running out of a certain resource that we have to achieve what we want to achieve. But it's not time that we're short of. It's potency that we're short of. It's the ability to affect change. That's what's lacking. And no amount of time is ever going to make up the difference if we don't know how to get where we want to go. No amount of time will ever make up the difference for a lack of love, for a lack of transparency, for a lack of courage, honesty. No amount of time can make up for a lack of kindness. No amount of words can make up for a single touch. And so when we sit together, and I tell you I have all the time in the world, I do.
Finally, something interesting to report in Finland. Big raindrops. Very large raindrops.
Love is a dimension, courage is a dimension. No amount of effort can make up for them. No amount of guilt or shame can make up for a lack of peace or achieve that peace. No amount of words can make up for a touch. No amount of effort can make up for self-acceptance. No amount of judgment can make up for peace or self-acceptance.
Now this rain is different. Oh,